Hi, I'm Ryan with BTOD.com, and in this video, I'm bringing you an unboxing and assembly of the Humanscale Liberty task chair. So what to expect when this arrives? It arrives via FedEx ground. The box is about 45 pounds, so you may need some help carrying it into your office. One thing that I do really like about the Humanscale chair is that you'll notice on the outside of the box, it's got the full assembly instructions, so you don't need to rummage around and look for that inside the box. You can reference that on the outside of the box. So let's get into this and see what's inside. So we've got the Liberty task chair unboxed and ready for assembly, and as you can see, there's not much assembly to do with this chair. The casters and the cylinder come pre-assembled to the base, so all you need to do is lift the seat and place it onto the cylinder. This is another step that you may want to have someone assist you with. This chair is pretty light, so you can probably do it on your own, but a helping hand is always nice. And once you get it on there, all you need to do is sit down in the chair to lock the cylinder in place, and your assembly is complete. So if you'd like any more information on the Humanscale Liberty task chair, feel free to check out our full review at BTOD.com, and thanks a lot for watching.